If I told you how many times I was trying to figure out how to start this video, I don't know if you would believe me, but this is a different glove box. This is a very different glove box. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, another glove box detail monthly box. And this time, a little bit different. This is a little bit of a special glove box detail. A little bit of a special one. Actually, it's a lot special, damn it. I almost broke my table. A couple weeks back, the lovely people over at GLOVEBOX messaged me asking me if I wanted to participate in deciding what would be in the next box. And I was like, heck yeah. My boy EC Details, he had a box, and to be honest with you, me and him are very much on the same brain wavelength when it comes to detailing. He just happens to be a professional, and by professional I mean a lot more well-versed with the art of doing it. And me, I'm just a prosumer. So there's P's, he just happens to have a cooler P. PP? PP, I don't know. His P is cooler. It's not as yellow. He's hydrated. I don't know. So our boy over at EC Details, he did his box, and like I said, me and him are on the same wavelength when it comes to like the products. So he had done a rinseless wash based type thing, right? So for me, that would have been one of my first choices. Rinseless and waterless wash are kind of like the way I like to go. I know there are other people, like one of the most popular boxes that are going to get chosen are going to be like foam, 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 foam. Everybody loves foam. Foam again. Look at the foam. Look at these mountains of foam. Look at this. It's shaving cream foam. Clickbait out of your bunghole type foam, right? Avalanche. Foam. Avalanche. Every name that you could possibly think of in the books because you love bukkake, right? Admit it, that's what it is. So for me, I was gonna do that, but then I'm thinking to myself, I gotta stay true to myself, right? And the only thing I would have done outside of what's in my box, I'm gonna talk to you about my box in a second, but what I would have done other than this is, you know, the foam / shampoo, wash, and wheels, tires. Those are the only other things. My box, I'm getting older. I hate to say it, it hurts. Wait, is that age or stress? I don't know, can't tell you. But I'm getting older. My priorities now versus even as recently as when I started this channel, we're talking 2016, they've changed. Everything's changed. My body feels different. My brain thinks differently, and what matters to me is different now. So the cool, flashy cars, the car mods, all that stuff's kind of on the back burner. I just like to have interesting vehicles and nice clean paint, but the interior is where it's at for me, right? I spend most of my time in the car. My kids are in the car. Safety, security, nice smells, nice clean interior, nice atmosphere. But there's one other thing, and we're gonna pull everything out. This is my box, by the way. I don't know if you're catching on to this, but this is the Honestly OCD box. This is the Honestly OCD show, and it's September. I was born in September. My birthday month is in September. I'm a Virgo, in case you haven't realized how damaged this is. That's why, because I've got problems. So we're gonna open this. Is my head getting cut off? Better the hell not. Open this, I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna talk about what's in this box. I just wanna let you know too, the glove box detail box is not like supposed to be, this is the only product to try, this is the best product to try. There's a lot of bougie products that you might try, that I might try, that aren't gonna be in the glove box detail because they're so goddamn bougie, right? This is super high quality products that we were able to get into our boxes. And a lot of the times it's something I wanted to try but didn't get yet, or haven't never even heard of, and I've been so pleasantly surprised. So I know what's in here for the most part. There's a couple things I don't think I know, so I'm as surprised as you. The thought process about this box is gonna be as simple, and here we go. Well, ain't that something? First things first, I gotta find it. I'm excited. This is so cool. September 2024. GLOVEBOX. Let me show you. Look at this. Hold on. That's my logo. That is so flippin' cool. What Oh, I didn't even know they did this. Look at this. Scan the QR code or search Honestly OCD on YouTube. Search for me? Oh my God, dude. This is so fun. I've been with this company from like almost the very beginning. I'm so excited. This is so cool. Oh, they said, check out his hilarious YouTube channel. That's nuts. I love you guys. So obviously there's discount codes in the back. Total retail value for this box is $68. So let's just pull things out and then we're gonna talk about what's in this box, and I'm very excited about it. First things first, like I said, foam, exterior, awesome stuff, clean your wheels and tires. Those are very important, super very important, right? What are the most important things for me right now, my day and age, other than the rinseless wash? Our boy Eddie covered that. This car needs to have clean glass. Windows, I'm telling you, I've had my car look gross, right? The paint is really not clean. The lower portions especially, you know, that's a trouble area. You're driving around in some weird areas and your paint's gonna look like crap. If you clean just the inside and outside of your windows, clean windows, your whole mood changes. I'm telling you, there's almost nothing more important to me than clean glass. Nice smooth paint, well-protected paint, very much a priority too. But clean glass. What is the other thing? Your interior. In general, you clean your seats, your dashboard. So literally this whole box is gonna be focused on cleaning your glass, not your ass, your glass. Almost kind of like ass, except there's gl in front of that word. So we've got our first product by the Chemi of Coach and Crotch Chemi. This one is Speed Glass Cleaner. So I've seen these bottles popping around. I have yet to try this product. So even on my box, this is gonna be a product that I haven't even tried yet. And I haven't been let down with a product by them. Again, real quick, I'm just curious because I always do this. You know what's kind of weird? This smells slightly similar to the Built Amber Traceless. Interesting. Like I said, product number 2. Our fellow detailing friends over at Armor Detail Supply. This interior detailer, I have this, I've used this, I can tell you that this product is awesome. This is a solid interior detailer. Very versatile. I haven't had any streaking issues, no staining issues, no issues period. Cleans off really well. I've done tons of videos about it on my stories and whatnot. Let me give it to Bruce Lee. You know, a lot of times I do that and I end up hurting my knuckle. I regret it later, but it looks cool on film. Same good smell. Delicious. I love it. Can't go wrong with this product. Can't go wrong with this company. What else? So, in the art of simplicity, we've got 2 towels, auto fiber towels. This glass cleaner towel right here, I really like this glass cleaner towel. I'm a fan of the waffle weave type designs, and I like the double flip style towels, especially their rinseless wash towel in this form. If you saw my video before this about the buckets, I like those towels. This thing is incredibly useful. You get many sides. Flip, flippity dip, flippity dippity doodah, and it's very versatile. Obviously, even with this, I would still recommend a second towel for extra clean buff, but this towel should be more than enough. It's awesome. I've really grown to like this towel. That being said, here's another flip. This one, I use this a lot, and I have all of these here. So this is definitely recommended by me as my interior. This is what I've used to wipe down my dash, to wipe down my seats. Obviously, if you're gonna be using a real leather cleaner, you're gonna wanna do a brush. But this towel has been my interior go-to towel. 2 solid towels. Again, value for me, flips. Flippity flips. I don't know how to flip, but here they are. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Now, you wanna talk about more value? We do have 2 interior cleaners. So we got an interior detailer for this, and we've got this bad boy. This gets thrown in there because it's freaking cool. GLOVEBOX Detail, in case you don't know, they have their own little product line, and it's based on the pod system. You fill up the water, you put this pod in here, you shove this down here, and as you crank this down, it shoots its beautiful load inside of the bottle. And let me tell you, their products are great. They smell great, they work. Their interior is one of my favorite interiors. I have it. I don't BS. And you know how I could tell I like a product? I know this isn't for all products, surfactants and sudsiness. Eventually I'm gonna start doing a lot of like review type videos. When I shake bottles and this thing's filled up like it looks like an old school like party, a little foam party down the shore when you were real young and stupid and you used to show up to those things and they were covered everywhere. That's how you know you're about to have a good time. It's a good clean smell. It's a gentleman type smell, a gentlemanly type smell. That's what this is. Look at this. Is this freaking focusing? Oh, they turned my logo into a sticker. Well, that's flipping cool. I've had people asking me for merch and the whole time I'm sitting here like, well, I don't know if that's gonna work. Who's gonna want that? That logo is pretty cool. Thank you guys. He's so cool. He's so cool. So how we feeling? How we feeling about this box? I'm excited. I'm excited. And I want to say thank you, honestly, to GLOVEBOX Detail for always supporting me. I know that there's some people that, you know, they love or they hate, mostly hate honest people. And I don't have filters. I say what I want. I try to be respectful to people, obviously, that deserve respect. This company deserves respect. This industry deserves respect. There's a lot of disrespectful things going on in this industry, so it's nice that this is the company that focuses on community, community, and community. There's a lot of really good people that I've met through detailing, through the detailing platforms and social media. And honestly, I cherish those friendships. I cherish the communications I've had with those people. This company is no exception. Top tier guys. Again, recap the premise of this whole box. Sometimes you just can't clean your car. Life gets in the way. Things happen. Life is real, okay? Maybe it hasn't hit some people yet, but when you get older and things start coming full circle and you have to become an adult, there's not enough time nowadays to dedicate to being out there for 2 hours to wash the car, and you still want to have the greatest possible impact where it could be something as a way to just be a big mood changer. This is a mood changer for me. I had to sit down and really think. For me, clean glass and a clean interior, the only thing to top this off, the cherry, the chef's kiss, is a good air freshener. If you got a good air freshener on top of this, that would be the last thing that I would add to this. And again, I can't pick which air freshener you need to pick, but I would recommend BioBombs if you can get a hold of them, especially the new Squash LLC. I'm not affiliated, by the way. No connection. Looking through clean glass while you're driving and having an interior that's clean, glass that's smudge-free and not funky, that's the way. Honestly, that is the way. This box is the way. This company's the way. I love you all. I'm very proud that I was asked. My boy Eddie got there first because he's a beast. Shout out to EC Details. You're friggin' awesome. I love everybody in this community, and thank you so much for all the support. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you came here because of this little card, that's awesome. Welcome. I'm trying to post a ton of detailing videos when I can. I will be doing a lot of reviews. I apologize in advance if I shit on a product or a brand that you like. I'm just an honest guy, and I'm not affiliated to these products. So I'm going to be watching videos. I know everybody wants to hear about my hit list. If you have to ask what the hit list is, you don't know me that well yet, get to know me. I'm here. Let's go, baby. Let's talk. Let's chat. Watch me. Watch me fly, baby. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate you. As I end every video, I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. This is a cool setup. Use these products. I can't wait to see about this. I've been wanting to get my hands on some of these things to try, but my problem is I have so many products. The wife is actually gonna probably threaten divorce soon. And I don't really want to do that. I like her a lot, and I do like the kids a lot, so I'd like to not lose my marriage. But anyway, I love you all, and I will see you on the next one.